Hello boys, and welcome to today's class. Our class today is going to be all about how to use must and should. We will be doing some thinking and some listening. You will also get to do some speaking and writing. In yesterday's class, you learned with teacher Owen, and he taught you about word friends. Today you will see some of those word friends in our lesson too. You also learned about the learning journal. The learning journal for Unit 2 looks like this. It's a piece of paper with a front and back. You will receive it from your teacher when you come to school next week. Yesterday you also watched a story with the characters from our book. By now, you should know the names of the characters and what they look like, and you are still learning more about them. So let's quickly review. We have Maddie. What does Maddie look like? And we have Emma. What does Emma look like? And here is Robbie. What does Robbie look like? And finally, we have Dan. What does Dan look like? There's one more character, maybe my favorite character in the story. Who is it? It is Kipper. What does Kipper look like? Fantastic, guys. Thumbs up. You are really doing great. I think you know everything. That is wonderful. The next step for this lesson is to click on the link for BlendSpace. The link is in the Facebook post, or you could also try using the QR code. Remember to follow all of the instructions, to follow all of the boxes, do everything you need to do. Good luck, guys. I will see you back here in video 2.